Hello Sunshine Dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunshine and I am your personal makeup coach. So today I'm going to be showing you 4 different things you can use your concealer palettes for while doing your makeup process, because most times we just use only the light shades to conceal the under eye and just leave the rest to just waste. So the first use is to conceal your eyes, like we all know. The second use is what I'm doing now, which is using it as a cream blush. This comes out like very well. It blends in very easily and gives this dewy, beautiful look, like you can see from the video. So when next you are looking for a blush to use, just bring out your palette and pick the colors that you like. The third use is to conceal the eyebrows. This one too, we know it, but in case you are a makeup newbie and you don't know, please, you can use it too for this step. You can also use it as an eyeshadow primer, like you can see me doing from the video. Use the white shade as a primer for your eyeshadow and you would love it. So this is the final use, which is as a lip stain. I'm using the brown color to line my lips, while we'll use a nude shade as a lip stain, though it doesn't dry down matte, so it's mostly for people that love glossy lips or maybe creamy lips. Do you understand? But it still came out very beautiful. So I'm using the nude shades to fill in my lips for this look, but there are some that have bright colors and you can also use them. They would still be very beautiful. And it came out very beautiful. Like you can see, it's very easy to blend. That's just one good thing about it. It's very easy to blend on the face, on the lips, wherever. It's very easy to blend. So this is the finished look. I'll see you next time. Bye. So this is how it looks. Can you see how it looks? It looks creamy, but it's still very much beautiful. So you can try out using your palette for these different makeup steps and let me know. Bye.